Minister Narendra Modi today unveiled his dream project, which is Kashi Vishwanath Corridor. He has inaugurated it today. The Prime Minister kicked off what he called a new chapter in the history of Kashi. These are the visuals coming to us live from Kashi. And this project, which was inaugurated by the Prime Minister, was done so in the presence of thousands of spiritual gurus, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Chief Ministers of other BJP states, among other dignitaries present. Prime Minister Modi sought three commitments from the nation: one of cleanliness, second of self-reliance, and the third of innovation. During this two-day visit, which has begun today, there will be another meeting, that series of events planned for tomorrow, where chief ministers of all BJP ruled states will be present. The Prime Minister addressed will be addressing a convention of BJP chief ministers and deputy chief ministers. That, of course, is slated for today. I'm going straight to Anand Narasimhan, who's joining me live from Ground Zero in the Dashwamedh Ghat. Anand, we can see those visuals of Prime Minister Modi with Yogi Adityanath. Where exactly are they right now?
Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Yogi Adityanath are on board the Alaknanda cruise ship, which has gone upriver. It's actually gone towards in that direction, and it is, I can spot the river patrol behind me. We'll wait for them to turn back, if they are turning back and coming in our direction, because they had gone right down along the Kashi, the entire banks. They passed the Dashwamedh Ghat, then went towards Assi Ghat, and I think they've gone upriver to have a look at what is being done all across Kashi, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi wants to spend some time. It's after a long time that he has come here with the time to spend, and he was before time, before his schedule, and that's the reason why perhaps he's taking some time extra on board the Alaknanda. Now he's going to be on board that cruise ship in the evening too. This is where the Dashwamedh Ghat, where we are. We've got a bird's eye view of what's going to happen, so we'll be able to show not just the Ganga Aarti, the crowds, but also right on the other side of the river, in the middle of the river. That's where the cruise Alaknanda, the ship, is going to be, where Prime Minister and the CM is going to be watching. Yeah.
At Sant Ravidas Ghat, they have just gotten off that steamer, and they are now at Ravidas Ghat. Sant Ravidas Ghat. This is one of the ghats, 80 ghats that are there in Kashi, and as Anand was pointing out, here is also a member of parliament from Varanasi, who's spending time and evaluating and reviewing all the projects that he has undertaken in the last 7 years. And it all began, Anand, on that day in April of 2014, when he came to file his nomination papers, and he had said famously, "Mujhe Maa Ganga ne bulaya hai."
Yes, he did. And there was a commitment to the Kashi Vishwanath corridor at that time when he filed his nomination papers, and there was already work which was, there was a commitment which was made. I remember being there, it was sweltering hot, but
yes,
there was a glow, and there was perhaps a certain amount of commitment which was there in the PA, with the PM, saying that if I'm back, and I will do this, and that is a commitment he had made. Now this Ravidas Ghat is very close to the guest house, where he's going to now go there, get some rest, and perhaps get a download on all that's happened through the day across the country, and also wait for the evening to set. As soon as it's sunset, post about 6 p.m, he should be back on the cruise, and then coming back downriver to see the Ganga Aarti. So that's why, that's where behind us is where the Lalita Ghat is. That's where he disembarked this morning, and then he just walked down. We were just 100 meters away from him, at the Meera Ghat, watching him walk into the Ganga river, do the Ganga Aarti and the Ganga Puja, and then turn back and walked in straight across into the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, which starts from the Lalita Ghat there. He came back then after his speech and speaking, and then taking a survey of the entire corridor, and boarded the cruise ship there, right there at those docks, and then they went upriver this way to the other side, towards the Ravidas Ghat. There are more than 80 ghats, like you said, and Ravidas Ghat is a little upriver beyond Assi Ghat. They've taken a slow ride, just getting the sense of all of Kashi and what all needs to be done, what needs to be done next,
yes,
or further. Now these are some of the temples which line the ghats. They're all being lit, There is also diyas which are being lit all across all the ghats. There will be diyas which will be lit, so it will be like a recreation of the Dev Deepavali itself, which would happen. And tonight's Aarti will be special. Every night the Ganga Aarti is special, but tonight will be a little more special, and that's why all the work is being done. All the ghats, all the stables, the platforms, they've all been cleansed, and now slowly they will start filling in the garlands. So the main one, the main arch there has already been decorated with a lot of flowers. The same floral arrangements will be made on the flanking platforms also, stations also, and you will have the priests standing there. One of the priests spoke to us this morning, and he said that this is special. He says 14 साल से मैं करते आ रहा हूँ, आरती भी कर रहा हूँ, देव दीपावली भी कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मोदी जी के आने के बाद से ये साफ हो गया है. काशी साफ हो गई है, गंगा साफ हो गई है, तो उस आरती में जो the purity of the आरती has gone up, or the puja has gone up, and there is a certain level of spirituality because they go hand in hand with cleanliness. And one of the three messages that the Prime Minister gave, as you were saying at the beginning of the show in your introduction, is of cleanliness and of course of innovation, and most importantly of working towards self-reliance and Atmanirbhar Bharat, a strong country.
Yes, and Anand, as you pointed out, he had himself, cleaned the floors of, those banks that he visited soon after being elected as the Member of Parliament. Then he took oath as the Prime Minister, and when the Prime Minister went back to his constituency with a mission to clean the ghats of Banaras, he cleaned an area on the banks of Ganga as part of the Nirmal Ganga mission. That is, of course, one of the big projects of the Prime Minister to spread the message of cleaning the Ganga. And of course, what followed next was his visit again in 2014. So, Pranshu, the Prime Minister has been visiting his constituency of Banaras ever since he was elected in 2014. He has been frequenting it, and again we are seeing him back in his constituency, but this time it is very special. It is about this project that he conceptualized, which he and others initially thought, others in his office certainly thought that it was impossible, because this is a litigation-free project, and something in which 400 families also gave up their land, and that was their contribution to this project.
Yes, Maria, see, if you cut this project from the spirituality, from the very essence of Kashi, then it was a small project, just 5,550,000 square feet of place that has been renovated. But in terms of magnitude, it is a huge task that has been, achieved, because it was not easy to do so. Kashi is the city of narrow lanes, and, it was not easy for anyone to actually come forward and envision that this sort of a makeover could be done to a place which has been in that status quo of 3,000 square feet for more than, past 1,000 years. So going into that dream, conceptualizing that project, that itself needed a big vision, and someone like Prime Minister Modi could have done. And therefore we say that in terms of its impact, in terms of its magnitude, this is one of the biggest vision, and it also marks the culmination of the dream which Prime Minister had for Kashi. It is, I'll say, a completion of one phase of what Prime Minister had in his dreams for Kashi, the new Kashi, the Kashi which should be modern Kashi, spacious Kashi, Kashi which should be focusing on the cleanliness. And here on the on this Dashashwamedh Ghat, we have just seen that how this entire ghat was cleaned before the Ganga Aarti takes place, and now diyas are being laid out. And in fact, diyas will be laid out on all the major ghats today, and it would be a Diwali-like scene. So we have often reported how in Ayodhya and during Dev Deepavali, how the ghats are lit up with lakhs and lakhs of diyas. That is again going to be done, because this is, of course, a unique day, a big day in history of Kashi. Kashi Vishwanath, Bholenath, he has been the deity of Kashi for generations, for centuries. But his darbar, that has clearly got a new look, and that is what Prime Minister Modi also said, that Baba ka darbar is now entirely in its new glory, and therefore that new achievement will be celebrated with lakhs and lakhs of diyas across the ghats in Varanasi. So clearly the build up to that moment of 6 p.m. when which is the official time for the beginning of the Ganga Aarti Dashashwamedh Ghat, that is going to begin, and we do expect that Prime Minister will be here for at least more than an hour, because for 1 hour this entire event continues from 6 to 7 p.m. That is what the general timing of the Ganga Aarti is. Maria.
And this project, as you're pointing out, Pranshu, Kashi Vishwanath Corridor project, the foundation stone was laid on 8th of March 2019.